Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Happy Sunday. I'm just checking in for the week because that's what I do. So I wanted to just touch base and acknowledge that your sex histories were fantastic. Interestingly enough, they fell down gendered lines in terms of um, either having unwanted sexual advances or feeling like being okay with having sex or not. And I mean, that's kind of typical. I just always wonder, are we ever going to get to a time where it's not so gendered anymore? But we're not there yet, so it's good information. Again, I know that that was some personal stuff, and so just know that I'm the only person that read them, and your secrets are safe with me. Not that they're secrets, but you know what I mean. So moving along, I just want to kind of touch base with what's coming next. You did the hardest thing. I think the sex history is the hardest thing you'll do this semester in this class in terms of personal sharing and such. So I hope it's all okay. So we're moving into female sexual anatomy. So you've got some very specifically biological reading to do, which is a good thing to know if you're going to have a body or you're going to be with people who have bodies that aren't like you. It's good to know these things. These are important things. This is typical information that you would get in a human sexuality class that is more biologically based, but nonetheless, I included in this class. So that's the kind of biological aspect to female sexual anatomy. But I'm going to counter that with the vagina monologues, which is the film you'll be watching. And I wanted to just announce the vagina monologues as general as a thing because I also want to share with you an event that's happening at Sonoma State. So I'm going to click over to that screen so that you can see it. The vagina monologues are being played. It's a play, basically, at Sonoma State, and it is this Thursday through this Saturday, and it's at their Student Center Ballroom A, which you can get a map and figure out where that is, and you can buy tickets at the door. If you want more information, you can email me. I'm going because that's the county that I live in, and I usually go every year because it's great to see students do this play. It's got a lot of different topics in it. They're small monologues, so maybe 10 or so little monologues that all are pulled together into one production, and it's usually really wonderful. So you can refer back to this if you're interested in going. Thursday, Friday, Saturday this week. Doors open at 7. Your tickets are going to be 15. I tried to see if I could get you guys student membership using COM student IDs, but they said no. So I apologize for that because I really wanted it to be either 5 or free. That was my main try, but they were like, oh no. So anyways, if you go Thursday, I'll be there at 7:30, and if you go and I don't know what you look like because it's an online class, find me and say hi to me because you've seen my dumb face in these videos, so you know what I look like. Okay, let me go back to the screen. So anyways, going back to what we're going to do this week is you are going to do the female sexual anatomy stuff. You're going to watch the vagina monologues. You're going to watch and listen to the female reproductive organs. Sorry, blah. And there's a PowerPoint, just FYI, if that makes going through the reading portion any easier. And then you're going to post about what you didn't know. And unless you're gynecologist, there's probably stuff you didn't know because there's always stuff I don't know when it comes to stuff like that. All right, so that's that. I hope you have a great week. I appreciate all the enthusiastic posts and keep them coming. I know this week we were doing sex research, which is always interesting, and I had you think about the Tuskegee experiment, which of course is one of the horrors of research and kind of one of the reasons that there are so many at this point rules about how we conduct research with human subjects, and rightfully so. But beyond being you know, unethical just on a general level. It was also really racist. And so I hope you got a chance to kind of ponder that. I'll be reading your posts after tomorrow because I usually wait till everybody's done and then I go in there. But yeah, that was an important piece of history for you to keep track of if you're going to be doing any sort of research, and just kind of speaks to culturally the problems in our culture. So, all right. And then, oh, Valentine's Day is this week, so happy Valentine's Day if that means something to you. I think the vagina monologues are a great way to celebrate Valentine's Day. So watch it with someone you like if you're able to do that, because the film is available to you from now until this class is over. So share it, enjoy it, and take good care. All right, bye-bye.